Monday, June 26th. Now the time is 11:03 a.m. Look guys, we're having heavy rainfall right now. This is just crazy. It says it's gonna stop in 14 minutes, but I don't really know. But anyways, I'm gonna work today and see how much I can make on a Monday in a heavy rainfall. And I already got this order from Uber Eats. So let's get started. So stay tuned, be sure to subscribe. Let's go! Okay, so the pickup is at this restaurant called Amazing Seafood House right there. So look, the rain really just died down after I finished the intro. That's crazy. Let's go. Okay, I got the order picked up. Let's go drop this off.
I think you're here already. Next to the bakery. The bakery.
I'm seeing and okay.
Yeah, that's right.
I'll leave it at the front door. Here, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Yeah. Okay, I got the Uber Eats order dropped off. Now we're gonna go work on this Uber Eats order right here. Let's go. Okay, first pickup, Pizza Hut. Let's go. Hi. I got Calvin. Calvin, 888944.
Felix?
Huh?
Felix?
Oh. Thank you. Okay, I got the order picked up. Now let's go next pickup. Let's go. Okay, second pickup is at this place called Shinnan Dao Yunnan Rice Noodle right here. And the Pizza Hut I just went to is just right behind me. Oh my goodness, so close. Let's go. Yeah, Uber. How much? 那个3A C4C。哦，全部吗？ Oh my god. Okay, 好，谢谢。Oh my god, this customer is cheap. So the customer ordered 10 rice noodles and there are 5 bags. Oh my god. I don't think I got tipped that much. This is just crazy. And I put the Pizza Hut in the DoorDash bag here. This is insane. What the hell? Oh my goodness. Anyways, let's go. Hi. Hello. There you are. Just don't take my phone. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay, I don't really want to go to the second drop-off. But I have to because I cannot finish 10 bowls of soup noodles by myself. Anyways, second drop-off is only 3.5 kilometers, but let's go. Hi. Huh? No, open the door. Yeah. This is so heavy.
I thought you were delivering food or something.
Yeah, for you. No, that door, this door. Thank you. No, and someone for the door. Thank you. Because we have this open
I
screen.
think there's a wave. Oh, there is no wave. There, this is the wave.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, good
Thanks
luck.
so much.
No problem.
Hi.
Thank you.
Okay, I got the order dropped off. That was so heavy. I should have used my dolly. I don't know. Hi. Anyways, let's get out of here. Hey guys, on my way back to my spot, I got this order from Uber Eats. It's a double order. Both pickups are going to Hatendo right here. Oh my god, it looks nicer than the one in the mall. And you know what? The base pay for that last double order is $6. Oh my god. Well, maybe the Pizza Hut guy didn't tip, and the last customer tipped me $6. But still, the point is not that 10 bowls of soup noodles. The point is they ordered 10 bowls of heavy soup noodles. Come on. There are more Asian places near this area, and they chose to order from that place. I don't get it. Let's go. Hi, I got 2 pickups. Yes, for Uber. Yeah, give me a sec. I just need to get my phone. I got one is 1 second, hold on. Wei Long, and the other one's Darl. Okay. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, sure. Okay, yeah. Daryl? Okay. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay, I got both orders picked up. That was fast. And they are so light. Oh my gosh, I like it. Actually, I love it. After carrying 10 bowls of heavy soup noodles, I need this order. Anyways, let's go! Okay, I got the first Uber Eats order dropped off. Now we're heading to the second drop-off, which is only 2.3 kilometers away. Let's go. Hi. Okay, I'll leave it at the door.
外賣。
外賣係啊，
外賣。
係啊。
樓上嘅樓上。
我擺門口得係嘛？
係啊，擺門口。擺入去門口。
得。
落雨洗咗。
Okay. Okay, I got the second Uber Eats order dropped off. Now let's go back to a spot. Hey guys, on my way back to my spot, I got this order from DoorDash. Go to Little Caesars right here. I hope it's ready. Let's go. Hi. Hello. Hi. Oh. I got Natalie from DoorDash. Okay, that's it. Thank you. You too. Okay, I got the order picked up. Let's go drop this off. Hey guys, so I just took a photo and daughter's asking me how safe did you feel on this delivery. I would say mostly safe, and then I go tell us a little bit more. I'll say bad weather because you never know, it's gonna rain soon again. So let me go bad weather. And then let's do submit. Okay, your safety is important to us. Your information will be kept confidential. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so I made $9.75 in total, and the customer actually tipped me $2. And there's $1.50 prepaid right now. I guess because of the bad weather. Anyways, let's go back to the spot. Hey guys, on my way back to my spot, I got this order from Skip the Dishes Go to Church's Chicken right here. Let's go. Hello. I got Skip the Dishes. Yeah, just a minute. Oh, that's it? Okay, thank you. Okay, there it is. I got the order picked up. Let's go drop this off. Okay, I got the Skip the Dishes order dropped off. Now let's go back to the spot. Hey guys, on my way back to my spot, I got this order from Uber Eats going to Jimmy the Greek inside the food courts. And then just now, I also got this add-on going to KFC in the food court as well. I think after these two orders, I made $66 already. Yay! That's not bad at all on a rainy Monday. Usually if it's raining in my area, it's not busy. But thank God I get to make some money. Anyways, I cannot record at Jimmy the Greek, so let me go grab the food and I'll be back. Okay, I just grabbed my food at Jimmy the Greek right here. And now I am going to KFC. Let's go. Excuse me. Hi, can I get my Uber? I think that's mine. EA80? David. Coming? Okay. I thought that's mine. Hi. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Okay, I got both orders picked up. Let's go! Oh, hi. There you go.
That's good too.
Okay,
Thank
have a
you.
good day.
You too.
Okay, I got the first Uber Eats order dropped off. Now we're going to the second drop off. Let's go. Hi. Yeah, can I just go in? Yeah. Do you have a table? Do you want? I can do this right here. Yeah. Okay. There you go.
So much. Appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Oh, thank you. You too. Bye bye. Okay, I got the Uber Eats order dropped off. Now let's go back to the spot. Hey guys, I was at my spot and I got this crazy batch from Instacart. Going to Loblaws and I took it. Yes, there are tons of drinks and heavy items. I don't know how it's gonna be like. So let me go grab the stuff. Let's go. Okay, so customer wants 1 farmer's market nectarines, 6 butter pears, 1 good start L soy baby formula, 3 zero Canada dry, 5 diet Canada dry ginger ale, 6 tonic water, 3 equal tablets, 2 Kraft's crunchy peanut butter, 1 Rolo drumsticks, and 1 vanilla caramel drumsticks. Okay, that's it. I am done. Crazy, right? I haven't done this kind of batch for a long time. And this time, I only get paid $28. And it's raining too. Oh my goodness. Let me go around once more. See? Anyways, let's go check out. Okay, I got most of the stuff in the trunk and I put 2 bags in front. Holy shit. I think this order may be going to a restaurant. Since when restaurant people are cheap? I don't know. Anyways, let's go! Hi.
Can you come in the front of the garage, please?
Huh?
Front of the garage, the left garage.
That's it.
Great, thank you.
Thank you. Hi there. Do you know what? Oh. Hi. Hello. Okay, there it is, guys. I made $28.04. And customer A, who was the first customer, didn't tip. And customer B, the second customer just now, tipped $1. Oh my god. There were a lot of drinks. It was so heavy. And my active time was 1 hour and 7 minutes. Not bad for an hour work, I guess. Oh, it's a heavy day for me today. I did a heavy Uber Eats order today, and this one. Oh my goodness. And it's a rainy day too. Oh. Anyways, I think after this Instacart order, I made $94 so far. So I just need another $6 order to make $100. Now let's go back to a spot. Hey guys, on my way back to my spot, I got this order from Uber Eats. It's a shop and pay going to Longo's right here. I don't know if I should stay or longer. I made over 100 already after this order. We'll see. Let's go. Okay, so customer wants this, the A2 milk company part skim milk, 2%. I haven't seen this before, and I couldn't even find it here. Look, nothing. I haven't seen this brand before in any supermarket, to be honest with you. So I think what I'm gonna do. Oh, okay, I found it. This is the skim. I think this is it. Let's grab the blue one. Let's go. 1 Coast Toga, 3-1 Omega-3 eggs. And of course, last but not least, Uber gift cards. And I don't think they have it, so. No. No. Nope. Golf Town, nope. Well, they have DoorDash. Do you want DoorDash? No, nothing. No Uber. Sorry, customer, I cannot give you the gift card. Alright. I guess I'll refund this. Okay. Nothing. Alright. That means I'm done. Let's go check out. Hey guys, I got the order ready. So before I went to check out, the customer texted me saying she wants to prepaid Visa card instead. So I had to pay everything at customer service. Oh my god. And that took a while too because I couldn't substitute the Visa card on the app. So I had to call Uber. And there it is. It's called Vanilla Prepaid Visa Card. Like, I don't know. I haven't seen this before. Why would people use prepaid Visa card nowadays? I have no idea. And I have to give her the receipt because of the PIN, I guess, to activate the gift cards. It is what it is. Oh my god, that took a while. Anyways, let's go!
Thank you.
Okay, I got the Uber Eats order dropped off. Now we're heading to Walmart for this Instacart order right here. Let's go! Hey guys, this is definitely the last order of the day. I have to haul heavy items again. There's gonna be a case of water, a bag of rice, and 2 watermelons. I don't understand. How can people tip only a couple of dollars and expect somebody to bring all these heavy items to them? I don't know. And I have to shop for 2 customers too. And yeah, I forgot baby diapers. Oh my god. Let's go. Okay, 1 mini seedless watermelon, 1 seedless watermelon, 2 dial antibacterial hand wash, 1 bag of your fresh pumpkin spaghetti buns, 1 4K brioche loaf, 1 box of Pampers Aqua Pure baby wipes, 4 Gerber organic strawberry banana yogurt melts, 1 bag of Bhutan rice, 1 Nissan artificial beef flavored instant noodles, 1 Nissan artificial sesame oil flavored instant noodles, 2 Dare Bear Paws birthday cake, 2 original Coca-Cola Sleek cans, 1 case of Nestea spring water, 2 Seawind pot and veggie pop stickers, Natural 3% milk. Okay, that's it. I'm done. So I got most of it at the top and the baby wipes and the rice at the bottom. Oh my goodness. What do you think of this batch? Comment down below. Let's go check out. Okay, I got everything loaded into my trunk. There are actually some replacements. Hopefully my tip wouldn't change that much. Anyways, let's go. Okay, I got the first Instacart order dropped off. Now let's go to second drop off. Let's go. Okay, I got the second Uber Eats order dropped off. Now we will go to a safe space and go for numbers. Let's go. Okay, so today in total I made $124.57. I think all my tips came in from Uber Eats and Instacart, so I believe this is the final total. And today I drove 97.1 kilometers. Still not bad in terms of dollars to kilometers ratio. So what do you guys think of my shift today? Comment down below. Right now the time is 6:29 p.m. So I think I worked for about 7.5 hours, which means I made $17 an hour. Yeah, it's a very bad day today, but at least I make some money. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button, smash the like button, leave comments, ask questions. I will always answer them. I've never missed anyone, actually. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. One box of